Welcome to Blue Black Doors channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed, brought to you by Black Venus Entertainment. I don't know why that was laying there. Run that intro. Back to the projects. Won't you be my neighbor? I didn't know it was planned. Well, hello, neighbor. Nibble boo boo. Welcome to Nibble Me Boo. We gotta get into the military themed SissybBar and a lot of grinding. So let's get to doing that. Look, I am your father. Grinding we will go. Are you hungry? Grinding we will go. My back's killing me being bent over. Yeah. So we through with grinding. Well, for this stage we through, and then we need to come back and do a finish, you know, like a 120 or so grade. Smooth it out some. But I need some armor. Be back in a few. Okay, I'm back from my break, lunch break. Lunch break is over. Ha ha. Ha ha. I'm silly. Alright, let's hope we can get a straight bend. And that's the same curve as I got on mine. See right there? Just nice little curve. Can you see it? Nope. Right there. See the little curve? See the curve? Whoop. So hopefully I can get a whoop out of this one. It's kind of hard to do because you want to heat it up. I made this jig, so I know right in here is where I want to heat it. Right in this area. I had to make another a clamp to clamp round bar. Take an angle iron and I put a piece on it. Let me show you. So what I do with it? There it is. See what I'm doing? And then I put a piece on it like this. And then I welded the clamp to it, so now I can clamp, make a V clamp and clamp round bar. Yep, just thought you might want to know that. Alright, let's cook the gas. Turn your acetylene and your oxygenated on. O2. I want to get a glove. I don't know. Let's see. That's plenty enough. Everything's clamped. We fix to have ignition. Sparking thing device in hand. Sparked. Too much. Got to get the right combination of O2. It'll be one of those days. I didn't touch that thing. Well, you sucker. Good enough. It might take a minute to heat up. 5/8 round bar. It's slowly moving. Male person. There you have it. That's all I wanted. Just to give it a little curve to it. It runs more heat to it just to relax it a little bit. And that's how I can bend it. Ooh. I'll let that cool off. Yeah, so that's how we did it. That's how we do it. That's how we did it. You can't see me hardly. Oh, me. Hello, 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 hello. Got you dizzy? Ooh. Oh, me, sissy. SissybBar deal makes me sissy. Makes me silly. I'll spit it out. Hello, hello, Jody Cash. I'm Billy silly. I'm Billy bitty silly. Step 342, I guess. When you're welding, make sure you got your gas turned on. Oh, me. So, the next step is I got to finish up the battle cross. That's what it's called. Did I not tell y'all that yesterday? Or last week? Anyway, let's do the little welding. Finish. See, because I cut a notch to fill this thing fit in. And I got to fill the notch in now. I got my gas cut down to the next level, so I won't burn through it. And we're just going to tack. Alright, now, was you even watching me? I don't know. But now we get to back to grinding. That's all I've done today is grind. Just, you know, the grind of grinding. Oh, shoot. Shoot fire out of this thingy. Hey, I'm back. So, I'm gonna grind. Alright, I'm back again. Back again. Back again. So that's the battle cross. There's a lot of history in it. They didn't use these during the Civil War, but it used just a piece of wood, and it was called the battle cross. You can Wikipedia it, but during the Gulf War and Vietnam, I guess maybe they started using the M4 as, you know. Yeah. It's gonna look good. Now I gotta figure out where I'm mounted at. So we'll figure that out. And that's the thing. It's cause the boot's over here and the helmet's over here. You see, so it's not perpendicular. Like I do some figuring. Really, there's no easy way. You just need a tape measure, tape measure, a square. But squares really is not going to do you any good because the SissybBar goes up like this. Yeah, I lost my voice. So we'll see what we figure out here. We just trying to figure out where'd be the best place to put you. What did I do? Oh, there it is. Has my marker. Okay, talk now. Gonna walk a little while. See, it's can't really square it. I guess you can. Maybe it's not gonna. Inside lead is 4.5 there. See, 5 inches there. See, it's going up. So really, we just need to come off down here and measure up how high we want it and what looks good. That's the key. Is this what looks good? And if you half a plumb off a plumb, then half a plumb off a plumb, then it probably ain't gonna. Well, my vise is square. See how that gonna set way over there? Dang it! It's not really no easy way to do it. That's why I go back to. See, then that looks like an angle. It just ain't gonna look good. Problem is, folks, we running out of patience here. And just let the chip fall where the chip falls, I guess. Now we got to step back and ichronometer it. Alright. Hello. Be back again. What'd I do with that? Oh, there it is. I can't find nothing nowadays. Can't keep up with nothing. Because I had to go in there and make supper. Get some yard bird cooking. I like to wrap them in aluminum foil, season them up real good, and put them on the grill, turn the outside burners on, and wrapped up in aluminum foil, the chicken, the yard bird, and let it cook that way real slow and low. So I came up with another plan just to fool the eye, because this thing is over one way, the boot's over here, the head's over here. So what I'm going to do, you see how I made this curved? I thought it might look better up here on the top with the hood, with the helmet being curved. So what I'm going to do is take this, put it down here on the bottom. It'll be curved. I'm going to cut these off, weld it together, and then I can get it situated so it'll fool the eye that it's straight. So let's do that. First thing I do is cut this to fit in between the two bars. We're going 11 inches up. I'd already got the okay to put it where I wanted to put it. And everything. So let's do the safety squinch and cut this. About a blade off. My luck. Alright, we're gonna try it. I don't knock you over first, right? So I got it marked where I want it. I beveled the sides. So hopefully I can get a good weld. I'm just gonna tack it. Don't want to weld too good, it's popping. That for today. If you figure out something different, let me know. Oh, it should be. Oh well, glad you came along on this little venture. And we done with that military theme battered cross SissybBar. Before you add something else to me. Yeah, I want this on it. I want that on it. You keep putting on it and be looking like a, I don't know what. But I'll show you what I did. You might, you know. Hold on one second. I'll put it on the bike, and you can see. So now I got to strip Lucille from an ultra to a special. Be right back. But first, we need to. I'll do that, and then we'll clean up the shop. God, I bet you I got 10 pounds of grinding material. Well, hello. Got like a microphone. Like, hey there, baby. Hey. So can I get a drum roll? Bing. What do you think? It's just rough because it's not been painted, but it's done, and it's let's see. Tape measure is back where the tape measure goes. Yep, I should know that because I put it there. Exactly from the bottom of the fender to the tip top, 38 inches. So I told you I was shooting for between 36 or 38 and 40, right at 38. So that's not bad. I mean, let's see some different angles of it. Yep, I think it'll look pretty good. I think he owes me a 3-scooper ice cream cone for this. I like it. All right, let's make Lucille back to an ultra Lucille. That was a pain in the butt. I'm gonna put fagioli on it. Must be Italian. Oh me. All right, folks. It was harder wrapping the dang thing than it was to building it. If you hadn't had enough of me dicking around in the shed for today, or whenever you watching this, or you want some more, you can go check out that video right there. It'd probably be a good one, I don't know. That one right there. Hit the subscribe button, it's free, and we get to see more of me dicking around. Oh, me.